We'll just go through this. The case study for the AZ-104. Hopefully, can you hear me okay, by the way, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, very clear, very clear.
Cool. So we'll go through these questions, and I'm not an expert, but I want you to get involved and help me out here. And after that, as John says, talk about whatever you want to get involved with, what path you want to take, be it AI, be it data, be it DevOps, be it gaming, whatever. There's a lot of people here that have experience in a lot of different fields. So, okay, we'll just get started with this. Why not?
Let's go.
Let's go. Yay!
Is that okay? Can everybody see that? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yes.
So your case study, there's a lot of info there.
Yeah, is it possible for you to copy and paste this on the charts so that at least we can read ahead? I know it will not be well arranged, but is it possible for you to just select copy and paste?
Yeah,
You can.
yeah, of course.
Yeah.
I can do that later on. Not a problem.
I'm just mean this question itself because it's so long that while you're reading the top, somebody might be reading the bottom. And
Oh no, this ain't the question. This is the case study.
Yeah, it's just giving you like all the. So we read the questions first, and then. So
I would.
you need to configure. So backup to meet the technical requirements for container 1 and share 1. To what should you set the backup frequency for a resource? Container 1. So container 1 backup.
Oh, so now you got
You
the
think-
case study.
You have to go back over to the case study, so obviously it's on container 1. It's in that datum. Datum A, is it? Yeah, there we go.
Where's
It's at the top. It's at the top. Is it not? That one, A, datum, has an Azure subscription that contains 3 resource groups named RD1, 2, and 3.
It's actually not. The answer actually isn't in this.
No, it's not, is it? Because that's not the hours.
It's not. So the frequency for
It's called
backup for
frequency.
container is.
Yeah.
Does anybody want to guess?
Every 12 hours, daily.
Hang on, go to the case study. I want to quickly look at it.
I wouldn't, I wouldn't like to say it was like less than that. 'Cause it's for, it is for backup, yeah, fair enough.
Container
but
1 is in West US.
It doesn't matter where it is.
Oh no, it don't, does it? Because you have to back it up.
No.
No matter.
So you've got a backup. You've got a backup for containers, and then backup for storage. So they're different. It's not included. Sorry, it's not in the case study thing. This is actually a.
Is it just a simple knowledge question then?
Yes. Yeah. That's what I meant to say. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. I'll go to 12. What's
Right.
everyone
Anybody else?
No, I'll go 6 to 12. So it's between them two.
You
It's
can
not-
go 6 and 12.
No,
It's
that's
pick
what
one.
I'm thinking. So it's either 6 or 12. I'll probably go 12 as well.
I think it's 12 or every day, but
No, it
I
won't be
think it's
daily.
daily.
Is it daily?
I don't know.
I think so, yeah.
It's obviously it's for the backup
The backup
frequency of the
yeah,
resource,
backup for the container is
the container.
definitely daily.
I'm kicking myself here, like, because I've just been literally looking at this on the QA labs.
Yeah. And then you've got, as I say, with the resource as well. So,
What's everyone else's thoughts?
see,
Alright, well this ain't daily. So
okay, I'll give you a clue. You've got six snapshots every day
Right.
for file shares.
Yeah.
So what's 24 divided by 6?
But yeah. It's every 4.
Every 4, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we do need to look this one up. So
Implement
we'll
the
look
plan
at the question
change.
first. Admin 1 can assign attribute 1 to group 1. Okay. Oh. Admin 1, where is he? So admin 1, global administrator,
Yeah, so
Azure
global
role, none.
be different. Yeah, because obviously a global administrator, he can do whatever he wants, really, can't he?
Yeah.
Yes, but he can, but his role, he
But
doesn't have
Azure
any.
role says no.
Yeah, that's just the intro.
Yeah, but what was the
Control role.
question? So can he assign what? Can assign
Can assign
attribute 1 to
attribute
group 1.
1 to group 1. What is attribute 1?
Attribute 1.
Group 1, so meaning resource group 1. Or
That must be. Group 1 is security group.
is this just a simple yes or no question?
Yeah,
I'd say yes.
I think it is no.
yeah, I would say no.
Oh.
Because so admin 1, yes. Global administrator. There's
Microsoft
no
Azure
yeah, but
role.
that's just the intro Microsoft intro role.
Yeah,
Because
I
you
see, yeah.
no,
'cause you've got
it'll be
admin
no.
2 and 3 there, are attribute definition.
Yeah, 1, 2, and
administrator.
3
Oh,
are
so 3 could only do that, is that right? 'Cause he's the assignment administrator.
No,
no.
it is
you can't do it.
because still Azure role is none.
Ah. Still no.
And also user 1 cannot do it. It is because Azure role is limited to a reader. Or
Yeah,
RG2
reader,
and
yeah.
RG3.
Okay.
So we'll say
There's
no
something
for
that's
that
been
one.
messed up there in the Entra ID, is that right?
Yeah, they are trying to mix up your mind.
So admin 2 can assign attribute 1 to user 1. Again, no, he can't because
Hmm.
Because it says none.
Yeah, none. Azure role is none.
I would say no.
None of us can make those changes.
Are you looking at an exam, a practice assessment, or just asking question?
No.
Oh no, we're going through the exam now. If you watch Jordan's screen, you'll be able to see.
This is no again.
So admin 3 What does admin 3 do? Yeah, I would say that's a no again, yeah. Okay. You need to meet the technical requirements for the KEK. Which PowerShell thing and key should you use?
Mandlet.
Hold on. Okay. So you need to meet the technical requirements. So what's the technical requirements? Oh, there's KK. So Azure disk encryption and key encryption.
Yeah, so a key is basically
So
key
disk and
for the key for the
encryption.
key, I think it is.
The encryption key.
So it's disk
That's
and
basically
key.
what it means.
So it's got to be that one, isn't it?
E1 and then you've got yeah.
Yeah.
Extension.
We can always screenshot, by the way, the case study and share it in the chat if that helps, folks.
Just so we're not flicking back and forth.
It's an option. Maybe if anybody wants to do that, that's just crossed my mind. We could do that.
Yeah, it's fine. I can do that later.
No, John's saying is as we go along. John, if you could do that, because I'm talking, obviously, I can't keep switching.
No problem. No problem. Can't do that.
Okay, so configure encryption for the virtual machines. Again, with the technical requirements, which virtual machines can you encrypt? So we go back to the case studies. Or case study. So technical requirements.
Never possible.
What's it again?
Usually is your disk encryption and the key encryption key.
Which
to encrypt
virtual
the
machines can
virtual
you
machine.
encrypt?
It doesn't tell you which one though.
I think you've gone through both.
So I would say 2 and 3.
There will be answers at the end that explain why.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will say 2 and 3.
2 and 3 then. Okay. Yeah.
Because VM1, disks cannot be encrypted, data isn't persistent.
Yeah.
VM4, write accelerator disks are used for high performance workloads, such as SQL, and cannot be encrypted.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
VM5, it is Windows Server 2022 again, dynamic volume. Dynamic disks are not supported for ADE. So we are left with VM1, VM2 and VM3.
Yeah,
VM2, it is basic volume, supports ADE, basic volume is fine. And VM3, managed disks, persistent, ADE supported for Linux.
But then VM3 is using Linux.
That doesn't matter.
Yeah, supported. It is supported by Linux.
Oh,
I
you
love that.
just said it is supported by Windows.
That
Yeah, but
is
it doesn't
Linux.
matter.
Yeah,
Yeah,
That
sorry,
doesn't matter.
I'm just trying to put a spanner in the work here. Like-
yeah.
Stop
No,
complicating things. God.
that was beautiful. That was full dev. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah. Cheers, Fielding.
I
Okay.
will
So
send you a screenshot of this actually.
no, you keep talking. You,
No,
you
I
know
mean
what I
step
do.
by step reasoning.
Yeah,
Sorry.
chuck it up. Chuck it
Yeah.
up.
because you can make use of this.
Okay.
Okay.
I see.
The plan changes for container 2. What's the maximum number of additional stored access policies you can create for container 2? Stored access policies. Does anybody know how many? What's the maximum?
The container, but for each container, so go down, scroll down a bit. Let's have a look at the maximum number there. 5 policies.
Yeah, it's 5. That is
Yeah.
correct. So, how many do we have? One, two,
3.
three.
I've got, yeah, it's 3 on there.
Yeah. So it's got to be 2, isn't it?
What is the maximum number of the additional stored access policies that you can
So,
create? for
if you've
containers?
you've already got 3. You've got storage 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah, that makes sense.
It's 2.
Go for
isn't
that
it?
one. Hopefully.
Okay. You implement. Oh, right. Changes for container 2. Maximum number of additional.
Additional immutable blob
Mutable,
stored policies.
Do you know what the maximum is for that?
No, and again, I've literally just been looking at this. This is what I was just looking at on my QA labs.
Okay.
I'm really kicking myself right now.
Okay. It's. Do you want me to tell you?
Well, you know it, dear.
Yes.
I do. Yeah, actually, I do.
Okay, yeah, go on.
So you're only allowed 2, or sorry, you have 2 immutable blob stored policies
Then you
per
can have-
container. So
So this is asking us what additional ones for.
yeah, so
Which one
you already
was it?
have 1 here. So you're only allowed 1 more.
It's got a legal hold on it.
Yeah.
You can have like a legal hold, and then you can actually set the number of days that you want it to be stored for as well.
Yeah, but you still have it though. It's still there.
So also an
you only allowed
immutable.
1 more.
Yeah, it won't go unless you delete it.
It makes sense.
But you can't delete it. Can't delete it after until I think it's been like
Yeah, a certain amount
like
of
it's
time.
it's already set. Like I think you can do it for up to 400 years or something daft like that.
Yeah, I know, but you can do it for like 30 days as well, and like you can set it.
400 years.
I'm not even joking. I was looking at it before, and it said like because obviously you've got have to put it in days, and this guy right, he was about to put it in for like God knows 146,000 something in days, like, and then he goes, "Yep, 400 years." I was like, "What?"
Yeah. So anyway, with this question, with the immutable blob stored policies, the maximum you can have is 2, and if you already have 1 in a container, then you can only have 1 more.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Okay.
You need to implement the plan changes for the storage account content. Which containers and file shares can you use to organize the content?
Okay. So we go to plan changes.
Storage 2, create an encryption scope. Buy a new container.
Which one? Let me see. Hold on, sorry, I'll just go back to the question. Sorry.
Yeah, just
Share one. Oh,
which containers and file shares can you use?
yeah. So
In
this
storage
goes
2,
to this.
is it?
In storage 2, create an encryption scope. Okay.
Name scope 1.
Right, yeah. So
In storage 2.
that could, yeah. So we
Scope
go back
1,
to
scope 1.
storage. Yeah. So that'll be container
Container 1, share 1.
1, share 1, and share 2. Because the container 1, or sorry, storage 1
Is linked with storage.
goes down into share 2. So
It's linked, is it? How do you know it's linked?
yeah, it's like, so it's container 1, share 1, and share 2.
Ah,
Do you know what I mean? So it's sort of the hierarchy, if I could say it, hierarchical namespace. Yeah, it filters down. So
so they're both. The answer is both of them.
yeah,
Well,
So
not,
it's
not
container
container
1,
2.
share 1, and
Uh,
share 2.
share 1 and share 2.
Yeah, I would say so.
I don't know.
So container 1, share 1, and share 2.
Yeah. So the third one. Okay. Still
Okay.
don't get that. Like, I don't get how you guys seen that, and I didn't.
Well, they're
Yeah,
both,
they're
both in
they're
the same
tricky.
region.
They are tricky. They are tricky, mate. Don't worry about it.
Both from the same region, yeah.
So they are linked, but container 2, it didn't have its own namespace.
Right. So that means that it is stored within
Yeah,
the first one.
Basically, yeah.
Yeah, because the namespace is like a workspace, right? No.
Yeah. Well,
Is
yeah,
it?
technically, I'll say yeah.
Come on, guys, isn't it great when you actually have that debate and start thinking, have I got it right or have I got it wrong? Is the other guy got it the better idea?
Oh yeah. I'm loving it. I am loving
Yeah.
it. Definitely.
That's what it's all about. Like, so
Because at the end of the day, it's like
let
I
me-
want to see it how your guys are seeing it, and that's just great if you can get it there and get me on that level, because that's what it's all about, right?
Just as a reminder, this is being recorded, which means you're going to be able to go through the whole video. And if we actually get the timeline right, you'll be able to get to question 11 in that process. So, may I make a suggestion, Geordie? Can you mention the name of the number of the question so we can actually follow it through on the video later as well if you need to?
yeah, 100%, yeah.
Would have you got the AI thing onto that video? Because it'll summarise it.
I will be doing that as part of the backup process with Scott, yes.
Because that'll be pretty cool as well. Because you can literally click to wherever you need to go then.
100%, yeah, so we'll have the transcript all being well and be able to process it that way.
Yeah, one video
Okay.
at a time. Yeah.
No,
I have to look through these like an hour and a half, hour and 40 minutes worth of video.
what else you got to do with your life, mate?
Work, family, game. Oh, I'm joking.
And then talking to me,
Yeah.
Scott.
Oh.
Right.
There's not enough
So
hours
you need
in
to
the day.
configure the web app one. Here, let's get back to this, but let's be serious here. You need to configure web app 1 to meet
Section 11.
the technical requirements. Which certificate can you use from Vault 1? What's the technical requirements?
Use
TLS for web app 1.
Yeah, but it's asking you which vault it's stored in, and which one can you use it from.
Yeah,
Oh.
start. Yeah.
There we
Oh,
go.
okay. I know this one.
It's web app 1, right?
It's always okay. It's definitely RSA.
Uh-huh. So
The
what's
key,
the difference
the
between?
key is usually RSA, but it's this one.
Cert 2 and Cert 4.
No.
No?
That's mad, yeah, because they've both got the same size, the same key size. What is PEM?
Yeah,
What is
in
PEM
key
and what
size,
is
but content
PKCS?
type. I can't remember the abbreviation what that stands for, but I know it's that. PKCS hashtag 12. So it's Cert 1 and Cert 2.
Oh, right. So is PEM like permanent or?
I know the key size, and the key size is different as well. But Fulden said,
Fulden's on the ball.
yeah.
He's on fine form tonight, folks, because I couldn't remember what a PKCS was.
Yeah, I can't remember the abbreviation. I can't remember what it stands for, but I just know it's that. Even though the key size different.
There you go, she's doing it again. Come on, Fulden. Yes.
Oh.
She's just quick on her fingers, that's what it is. Aren't you, Fulden?
Yay! Okay, I'm going
You're
to
not
share
fooling
some
me.
more about these two, because once we understand what these two things are, then it will make more sense to
Yeah.
all of us.
Because I just forget like what abbreviations mean, but I just knew that.
Yeah.
Okay, I know this one as well, so you guys can read it yourself.
What's that top one? Custo query language. Path. WQL. Query language. So they're all to do with storage
if
and
you
queries, yeah?
you DCR.
It says there which type of query. Need to implement the plan changes for DCR
What
R1.
is DCR1? Can we see from the case study?
Which type of query should you use? So I've got a feeling here it's going to be like to do with the operating system that you're using.
Yeah, can you go to case study? Like other nice
DC data center.
There's no clue in there.
Is there not?
Nope.
For me, I'm thinking it's between
Data
KQL and
DCR stands for data collection rule.
Data collection rule, yeah.
System events, you have an event ID 4648 from VM2 and VM4.
Okay, I'll give you a clue. Elon Musk. For the answer.
SPAS,
Thanks.
right?
Yeah.
I picked.
SPAS.
Yeah, I was going to
XPath.
say XPath, but
Yeah.
I think my missus is watching the footy. Who's on?
Someone
Guys.
that scored.
I just heard them in the
Okay,
background.
AI has given a different answer to this question.
You need to. Which role should be assigned to user one?
Jammer, go
You
away.
need to implement plan changes to user one.
Hang on, what happened to the answer to that other question we were just on? Did we pick?
Yeah. Expert.
Oh, okay. Need to implement the plan changes for user one.
Okay, plan changes. So, okay, let's look at plan changes. Oh,
Is this where it's gonna like tell us obviously what role he's in or not?
plan changes.
Wow, you are a speed reader, Geordie.
So, zone 1, the VNet 1. Hold on.
It's not private DNS.
It is?
Is it?
Yeah. VNet 1, zone 1, VNet 1.
Well then, do you think it was KQL then?
Yeah.
Maybe
So you got your virtual network and private DNS zone. Zone 1 is DNS. And then virtual
yeah.
network.
Sorry, I didn't see that. So that's the answer then.
Yeah. So you got your VNet 1, zone 1, virtual network, private DNS zone. Is that correct? Hold on. Yeah.
So
Grant user 1 the permission, zone 1 to VNet 1. Yeah.
my eyes ain't as good as yours, Jordan. I just can't like pick things up just by scrolling through. So it's a private contributor then.
It's both. It's network and private. Okay.
Need to implement the plan changes for user one. Which resource should you assign to the role? For which resource should you assign the role to user one? Resource 2 only, 3 only, VNet 1 only,
changes.
zone 1 only.
Question 14 is no easier than question 13.
Oh, I agree.
Hold on. What was the zone
What was the
1?
question?
The VNet.
What's datum? Is it the name of the company?
So, for which resources or resource should you assign the role to user 1? Okay, so have a look at those answers.
Do you know what? The question isn't making sense to me. I feel very confused right now.
Yeah, they are difficult.
For which resource
So
should you
user
assign to
one.
user one? So grant user one.
Okay,
the
user
permission.
1, grant user 1 the permission required to link zone 1 to
Yeah.
VNet
Zone 1 and
So
VNet 1.
check zone 1 and VNet 1.
Assign attribute.
So it's got to be that.
The answer is literally what we've just read.
Yeah.
So there's nothing like hidden behind it.
Nope.
Okay. It seems a bit too easy.
Unless Jordan is hiding something.
He's not scrolling all the way down here, is he?
Oh, I have it. Right, I'll let you read through it yourselves there. So
Implement the plan changes to scope 1. You need to ensure that scope 1 meets the technical requirements. What can you encrypt by using scope 1?
Can you encrypt by using scope 1?
by scope 1, so technical requirements.
What are the technical requirements for scope 1?
Scope is used to
Use
encrypt
to encrypt
storage.
storage services. So we can encrypt storage services.
And that's your answer, yeah?
Yes, it should be.
Let's have a look. Storage
Containers
2
have-
only. So there must be like a table here that we need to look up,
One
see
answer.
where we can go.
Okay, it's got to be obviously containers.
So, scope 1, we need to check scope 1. Which containers it is associated with.
Okay, container 2. Storage 1. Oh,
In
and
storage 2, create an encryption scope name scope 1.
so
Okay, storage 2.
And storage 2.
So
Yeah.
new
Then,
containers using
image 1 or image 2.
um,
I would say it's got to be containers
But this would be
and
the top one, wouldn't it?
blobs.
Containers and
Yeah,
blobs?
I think. Yeah. I think you're right. Yeah,
yeah, the first
I would
one.
say that.
Containers.
Me too.
Okay, yeah, let's just go. Keep going. Number 16. You need to implement the plan changes for the new containers. Which Azure services can you use for image 1?
Oh yes.
So this is like asking you what services.
I know where
right?
to look. Okay, I know where to look for this one.
Oh, go back up.
No, it's not there. Oh, where is it? Oh, it is there.
It is.
This
Go,
is that,
go,
I
there.
think, yeah.
Okay.
Image.
So this is
That-
using Windows.
It's telling us what operating system
Image 1.
it is.
Image 1.
There is no way Jordan has gone through all these questions, memorized them, and now presenting them, is there?
No, because I
No.
know this one, John. Because there's a difference between what you can use with Windows and Linux. I did memorize that. I'm not answering it, by the way.
Okay, well I think I'm just going to take a shot in the dark here. Third one.
Sorry, what was the question?
Can I say the question again? Who said the same?
You need to
Okay,
implement
so
the
for-
plan changes
In between.
for the
Screens.
new. So there's
So
new
for the
containers.
image one, it's operating
Description has an
system
Azure
is Windows. So
Hold on, can you a couple of more screenshots of like where we need to look at? Put it on the chat. It'd be easier that way.
Yeah, I can't look at it properly, so I'm going to say it's an app service because it's Windows.
Was it Windows? I thought it was Linux.
No, there's Windows.
Okay. So it's an app service and not a container. Can you not have containers in Linux?
No, it is a container, yeah.
Yeah, you can. You can, yeah.
Right.
I'd say both app service and then dual container apps.
Which one is that? Which number? 1, 2, 3.
Like, this is my
Are you
first
sure?
time doing this one as well, so I don't know.
Okay, I'll give you a clue.
Oh, is it apps only?
What, do you
That
know
one.
something that we don't?
Yeah, I do. It's that one.
Is that one?
That is Windows App Service or container instances. Linux runs all of these.
Okay.
So that will give you a clue to the next question.
So this question here, right, that is basically just based on your knowledge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's Linux, yeah.
You must know and have that memorized to be able to answer that in the
I
first place.
did. I did have that memorized, yeah.
Okay.
So it's
Easy.
that one. App Service, Azure Container Apps, or Container Instances. Yes.
Oh, that's
That's
what
with
I said.
Linux. Yeah, but that's with Linux, not with Windows. We're on different questions, Scott.
Oh, right. Oh, sorry, I looked away for a second and you skipped the next one.
Did I actually mention
Me
earlier
too. I
on
missed
that
the first group.
Jordan was actually going to mention exactly which question we were on? In case
Yeah.
anybody did that.
Okay, so you got RBAC rules,
Role-based access control.
storage 1, role-based access control. Which storage 1 services support conditions when assigning roles? Okay, I'm just going to leave this one to you. I'm going to shut up now.
Go up a bit. Go up a bit. What is that? On the question again. You have an Azure subscription that contains a storage account named Storage 1. You plan to use the conditions when assigning RBAC. Storage 1. Which Storage 1 supports the conditions when assigning roles? Okay.
So what do you need when, like, whenever you're trying to sign in?
Yeah, so usually like if you queues and that is for messages, right?
Yeah.
It's not going to be that. Tables.
Sure? Are you sure?
Oh no, because this is RBAC, so it's. Oh, I don't know now. Now you've got me quizzing myself.
Okay, let's start from the top. Is it containers?
No.
Okay. Is it file shares?
It can be.
It can be.
I mean,
Not only. Are they all
Doesn't
saying
mean-
only?
it is the answer.
They all say
I mean,
only
it
on
is
it?
a type of, all of these are storage services. So what we can store from,
Containers and queues, files
but
and
are
tables.
these supported by RBAC? That's
Yeah,
the question.
that is the question.
Yeah, they are supported by RBAC. You're
I-
exactly right.
For the conditions.
I don't think it's
Yep.
containers. I don't think it's containers.
No, you said it. You said it. That's the correct answer.
Yeah, I agree.
It is containers. Containers and queues.
Yep.
Okay.
Reasoning is shared.
Right. I'll let you have a look through that one there.
God, have you done this? Sure, yeah. Have you done this, Ron?
I haven't, no.
He did have a go at it, and he got.
Oh no, I had a go at it. Yeah, I had a go at it last night.
69%.
Oh, did ya? I got 60, I did.
Don't worry, we're getting 100.
God knows how I got 60. Yeah.
Especially if we get question 19 success.
Yeah, we're not even halfway through here.
Yeah,
we
we
better
hurry
hurry.
up.
Okay.
You have an Azure subscription name subscription one. Subscription
Web
one
app.
contains a resource group
Okay.
on table.
So you're moving RG1, or sorry, Web App 1 to RG2. That's
I guess
West
this
Europe,
people-
and it's moving to North Europe.
What's the effect of the move? So, got remains in, or moves to. When it says about
Yeah.
the regions.
I would say it'll still stay in West Europe, but yeah,
So yeah, it's so we know that it's
Yeah,
that it's one of those two. It's literally
Yes.
Third one.
that one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Go. Next one. Question 20.
oh, sorry.
There are 3 subscriptions from 1, 2, and 3 that are linked to a Microsoft Azure tenant. The tenant contains a username user1, a security group named group 1, a management group. So 1 and 2 are members of MG1. God, this is so confusing. Create the following role assignments. Group 1 reader, user 1.
Okay, you've got okay. Don't concentrate so much on the
Names.
on this nonsense.
Mhm.
Read the question first, and then maybe read through the
Okay. What's the question?
the stuff. So,
Statement below.
Group 1 members can view the configurations of the Azure functions. So, Group 1 is a reader.
Yeah.
So, of course, you can, yeah?
Isn't
You
it
can
nice
do-
when you get to question 20 and you're halfway through? Question 20, such a good question.
So,
again,
user
user
1
one.
can assign the role.
Assign the owner role.
Yeah. So, Access Administrator.
I'll say yes again because
Yeah. He's a
Yeah, yes. I will say yes as well.
administrator can, yeah.
I need that.
yeah.
Because
Yeah.
reader role grants read-only access to all resources under
Okay. Yeah. All right.
RG1, right?
User access.
Yeah, the administrator, he or she can
Pretty much do anything.
assign roles. Maybe not create resources,
Just read. So
they can assign different roles. Yes.
mm,
So, user 1 can create a new resource group
No.
and deploy a virtual machine. So, user 1, no. So, they just what I said there, they can't do that. They can't create a new resource group.
You can only delegate of who's going where.
Yeah, so
That
the owner creates all the groups and the roles for everyone. So if you're given an administrator role, you can create roles for other people.
Or,
You can't
so
create.
Yeah, because obviously there was one that we seen before earlier that was mentioned, and it was like global administrator. Now I
Yeah.
know that they have quite a bit of power, don't they?
Yeah, the person that makes it has control over everything. But like if say like on Discord, yeah, Jordy's got his own channel, I've got my own channel. You make someone an administrator, I can give them the roles, like I can give them, like, say, oh, you can do this, you can do that, you can create new channels or not. Do you know what I mean? So like the main person can do whatever they want. Then you've got your administrators, which can give people other roles, but then if they haven't got the permission by the owner to, I don't know, say you can create channels or whatever, like, so it's...
So that's what just fell into the next question, and it just threw me off a little bit.
Yeah, it's like as Scott says, you know, if I create a channel in Discord or something and I grant him access to admin, then he can invite people or whatever, he can edit and all that kind of stuff. But
No, okay. Oh, next one.
sort of, yeah, it's a bit confusing, to be honest. Actually, I find it confusing myself, but
I think it's one of those, like, you just have to keep going, keep looking into it, and eventually it'll just fall into place.
The way you got to look at it is like, can someone give someone this role? Well, they can if they got the permission to do it. It's like, and when you look at an owner, they can do anything. Yeah. Administrators, they can do so much only if they've been given the balls to do it. But can they do it? Yes, they can, if they've been granted the permission. So the wording on the questions is a bit iffy, because you got to think, if they got the permission to do it, then yes, they can.
All right, guys, we've got just over 40 minutes left. So that's two minutes of questions.
Yeah, we're not even halfway through here, so.
I know. Otherwise, we'll be on this all night.
Right, I'm going to shut up and let you guys carry on.
Your VM
don't shut up,
is
Scott.
below 10%. Your memory.
What's that? Needs to ensure that an alert is set and the amount of available memory on VM1 is below 10%. Okay. But that's... Automation sounds nice. But a run book, I don't even think that's in it, is it?
But if you look at the question as well,
you could be notified. Deploy function app that'll just literally show that an alert. Oh, so it's create a notification then. Huh?
Yeah, create a notification. It should be.
It's just as simple as that.
It makes you think that if there is something hidden behind it.
No, but it could be that. I was thinking that last night.
But you were wrong.
Yes, I was wrong.
That's why I
service management.
ITSM.
The answer's in the question, boys and girls.
Yeah.
Isn't it an indication, Jordan, that you've got less than 110%?
I'll let you guys read that one. I'll be quiet again.
God, I was just reading what folders.
The destination of the outbound security rule. it's not going to be an IP address range.
No, yeah, because you just want it to make sure that a virtual machine can access the vault.
Yeah.
So it would be an ASG, yeah, because it's like a rule, right? No, because that's application security group.
No, so you configure something as the destination of the outbound security rule.
For the network security
So
group.
that's where it's going. It's like a tag.
Yeah, I suppose. You're right there.
It's like
Is there another
Right.
option, or is
it's
it
like
just
this.
three?
You are going there, and it's like putting a stamp on an envelope. It's like, right, you're going there. That's your name and address. You're going there.
Aye.
Right. Let's get through this. We're gonna get this.
Dilly dilly.
Question 25 got exhibits button. Is that relevant?
No, right. Okay, this one's easy.
So the VM1 can connect to Contoso by using 130.107.10.10.
We need to see the exhibits or not in this instance.
Oh, so that's
Yeah,
literally
but-
yes. Oh, I get it. Yeah, yes or no.
Yeah. It's not showing that much really, but
That's on the firewall, so that's what it's going to let through, right?
yeah.
So can he connect to Contoso?
First can it's a public IP address. So
Yeah, so he can.
So VM1 is connected to VM1 is connected to VNet1, Subnet1, and that's the address. So yeah,
Yeah,
and this is all Costco or whatever you want to call it. I just call it Costco.
Costco.
Yeah.
Why is that? Because it comes in bulk.
It does, yeah. So VM2,
So Contoso, right, is from what I know, it's a database, isn't it?
what's that? Sorry?
Is Contoso a database?
No, it's like a website.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it is.
It's a
Change
band.
storage account. What's that? Sorry.
Yeah, say Toto's a band, but
Well, there's Latoto.
For this one,
Anyways, here quickly, guys, come on. We've only got like.
no,
we-
no, because this IP is belong to VM2, right?
Yeah, so VM2, yeah, so that's public as well. Yeah, of course it can. VM2
Cannot.
2024, yeah.
Yeah, it's a yes. It's
Yes.
a yes.
So VM3 must use his private IP address. That's not a private IP address,
No.
so it's
So
no.
how do you know if it's private or not? What's? Because you asked me this before, didn't you, George?
Yeah.
What's the difference between private and public in the IP? Someone tell me, quick.
Right, so you see here the IP address is 131. Oh, alright, change it.
131.107.10.10. Yeah.
Yeah. The
Aye.
private IP addresses are like completely different. Like you'll know
in
when you see one. Like
It's
it-
less
like-
fewer numbers, basically.
Oh, the numbers are smaller.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because
Okay.
with public IP addresses, you know, well, it was explained before, like there had to be billions and billions of different numbers. Like with private IP addresses, there's not as many.
Yeah.
So you can, like, these all end in .10, yeah. So like in your router at home, for example, it'd be .0.1. And then there'd be 6 numbers before that. But they always end like basically the same. Like here, for example, .10.10.
So that tells us that it's public.
Yeah, basically. In a private one, it'd be totally different.
Can you give me an example?
Or you could have like an address with like a /.
Yeah, that's like the side block, isn't it?
27, whatever.
Alright, let's go. Next one.
Yeah, okay. So that's a no.
Cool.
Again, I say, yeah, that's a no.
Yeah.
No.
Me and Fulden had this conversation.
So you've got an app service
Good
plan
question.
named Plan 1. You need to ensure that the Plan 1 will scale automatically when the usage of the web app exceeds 80%. What should you select? Automatic and scale out or scale up. So scale out is it's going out, isn't it? Because going is it?
No, that's CPU, isn't it? Did it say CPU?
CPU, yeah.
So if it's going,
scaling
if it's
up.
going, yeah. So if it goes up, it's more CPU. But if it goes out, isn't that when it's like putting on
VMs.
more VMs?
Yeah.
No, as I said, like, Fulden, do you want to jump in here? Because we had this conversation.
The premium.
I think it's wrong. I think the answer is wrong.
I think
I would have said scale up. It should be scale up.
Yeah, it's got to scale up.
Okay.
But the actual answer that they picked is rules based in scale out.
But scale out is VMs.
I know.
Horizontal.
I know. That's why I'm saying it's wrong.
So they've got it wrong themselves here.
Yeah, they got it wrong. But it is that.
Yeah, I think so. I agree.
But
what
yeah,
I would have said standard scale up.
because
So you got your vertical scaling, adding CPU.
and RAM.
Yeah,
So-
and then
The RAM is
so
more
that's
RAM.
vertical scaling compared to horizontal scaling. Yeah,
Yeah,
but anyway,
vertical is RAM and CPU. Horizontal is VM.
VMs. Yeah. But anyway, that's
Oh.
what they.
You should send them an email. Take a print.
I will.
Take a
Don't
screenshot.
you worry, I will.
Yeah,
I
go
will.
on, do it now.
Yeah,
Go, do it now. Otherwise you
back.
won't do it.
Take a screenshot.
I'm busy, Scott. Here.
Now.
Okay, and then right, you were talking about IP addresses, so
All right, yeah. So what's the maximum number of virtual machines that can connect to the subnet 1? The subnet
okay, so
1,
look at this.
25. So isn't that like go down? Down. Is it 128?
Can you go?
Up. That's as far as I.
Subnet one.
An address range,
Okay,
isn't it?
You were actually nearly right because 128, but then
You
you
see,
keep 5 virtual machines back for.
yeah, they're reserved, aren't they?
Yeah, they're reserved. Yeah.
So it's 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Yeah.
Cool. There we are.
Boom. Right. Let's just look at the question. User 1 can access content and share 1. User 1 is out 2, so
Sorry, what's the question? What are we looking for?
Yeah, look at the second table.
User 1 can access content and share 1. SMB share contributor.
Right, go up again. Sorry.
User 1 is OU2.
Global group that contains user 1. Go down again, sorry.
But he's only a user.
Yeah,
yeah, but it's out 2, so that's got to be a no.
Can he connect to O1?
No.
No. Sorry, I'm trying to read it, but you keep scrolling.
Up and down, up and
Alright,
down.
keep moving it. Keep moving it.
Don't forget, I can't read everything that people are posting on in general because I'm called.
So, the way I see it is, user 1 is okay, and whatever that thing is. Organizational units out 2, so he should be out 1, so he can't. If he was out 1, then yes.
Unless it was group 1. No,
Okay.
doesn't make sense, does it? Never mind. Yeah, let's go now.
Yeah, I know these are complicated. User
No.
2 can access content and share 1. User 2 can access. User 2 is out 1.
And group 1 has global group that contains user.
User 2 is role. Is an SMB share reader. So that's got to be yes. You can read that.
That wasn't the question, was it?
Yeah.
It's not can he read there. Oh yeah, it's
content,
access
yeah.
content.
And access content.
Okay.
Actually, yes. User 3 can access content and share 1. User 3.
Oh, you just
Okay.
go up to the top one.
No, I don't need to go anywhere.
Well,
Read
you
this.
don't, but
To be fair, we've got like 20 questions left.
Yeah, read this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just as an observation, some of these questions do seem like they do in the exams, very similar but worded slightly differently.
Yeah, I'd agree.
Okay. Which via virtual networks can you peer? with
Tell you what,
VNet?
you just actually reminded me. Obviously, because this is a new laptop for me, I need to put Code Dojo on. It was Code Dojo, wasn't it? It wasn't. What was it? Tutorials Dojo, wasn't it? Tutorials Dojo. Yeah.
oh, I thought you were talking about TV series. Like,
No. Because I, like you say, you've paid for this crack search, but I paid this tutorials dojo a while back. I forgot all about it. Hate it when I-
Oh, right, okay. Oh, you paid for it, did you? Okay.
Yeah, well, not the whole thing. So, like, obviously, you go onto it, you have to pay for like what you want to do on it. Like, so.
Oh yeah. No, I've done that. I've done that myself. Yeah.
Yeah.
Question
So
33 out of 50, folks. We've got still 17 to get through.
Yep. Yeah, exactly.
I'll go
Sorry
1,
about
2, and 3. What's the question? Which virtual network can you pair with VNet 1? I'll go. Oh, right. So it's not asking for 1. It's asking which you can pair. I'll say 2 and 3.
Why?
Isn't that to do with the regions, though?
Doesn't
No.
matter.
It doesn't matter about the regions. They're all in subscription.
What's all of them?
Because you can peer globally, but you can also peer regionally.
No, it doesn't matter about the region. Forget about the region on this one.
Yeah, you can still pair with them. So it's all of them.
Is it
Sure.
all of them?
Yep.
You
I'm
sure?
100% sure.
What makes you so sure?
Because
they're in subscription 1, and then they're in subscription 2. 1 5 are in subscription 2.
yeah, it doesn't matter about the location. You can still pair with them.
Oh, see, so I don't think that you can peer out of one subscription into another. I think
Yeah,
you can only
Yeah, you can.
2 and 3, it is because
2 and 3. 2 and 3.
2 is same region, same tenant. 3 is different region but same tenant. So region doesn't matter but tenant matters. But 4 and 5 is not possible because the tenant is different, sub 2.
I disagree.
What do you? So you think they're all of them?
Yeah.
Click all of it, and then we'll. Can you put a bookmark on this question?
Okay.
Right.
What number is that?
I can understand Jordan's argument because you can pair.
I think you can pair with anything.
You can pair with anything, yeah. But-
Or peer, not pair. Sorry, peer.
Yeah, pair.
Sorry, I got that wrong. Yeah.
Peer to peer. You can pair with anything.
Cannot be created directly between VNets in different tenants
But that
unless
doesn't.
you set up cross-tenant permissions,
Just
which
because
is
you're-
not mentioned.
Just because you're peering with something doesn't mean you're taking control of it. It's just asking, can you peer with it? So
Yeah, but obviously the whole point of peering though is for them to be able to communicate with the different resources, right?
yeah, but that doesn't mean.
Well, yeah, if you
control
have
it.
different VMs, different storage, or whatever, yeah, or different resources, yeah.
But that then just gives you the readable. It
All right,
doesn't-
we'll stick a pin in that one anyway. Let's keep
Yeah.
going.
Yeah, okay, yeah, I've written it down there. So we'll get number 13 and 33. Okay. Let's go. So,
You need to allow access to storage one from selection networks and your home office. Solution must minimize administration effort. What should you do first for storage one?
What would you do first? Would you put a private endpoint on? Select which you wouldn't select which route it's going to go on first, would you?
no.
And then you've got obviously access control management settings. So
I would go add a private endpoint.
yeah, because it's like setting up a gateway for it, isn't it?
Yeah.
That like that's where you want it to be at the end.
You're doing it as private is from a home network.
Yeah.
So you're setting up a private.
No, but you need to allow access.
Or is it modify access control?
I would say,
Modify the public network access
No.
settings,
I would say,
right?
yeah.
Is it that?
The private, the endpoints, the endpoint.
Actually, we did that on one of the labs, I remember. It then.
What does Jay Ferris think?
He's
Hey, John.
Screenshot. Jordan.
Thinking we're running. I was thinking we were running out of time at question 35 with 15
Oh,
minutes.
don't worry, John. We got plenty of time. We've got 20 minutes left.
Okay.
3 minutes. Come on. Right, then. What? Hang on. What? Which one did you even pick for that?
Modify the public network access.
That makes sense. It does make sense, doesn't it? Right,
Okay.
move on.
All right. Yeah. Move on.
I thought it was a private network. So, all right, my bad.
We all thought it was different. All right.
Okay, so ACR.
Now, Azure Container Registry is on question 35.
Okay. Next jump.
Dick.
Right, storage one, premium. Oh, container reg one, premium. Sorry, container reg two.
Oh, bless.
It's got to be 2 or 3, hasn't it? Sorry, 2 or 1. I think what was the original question?
So, which container registries support ACR tasks?
1 and 2 in it.
Nope,
2
Or
or
was
3?
it all
Three.
of them? All of them.
it's all of them.
All of them.
Yeah.
Okay, to 3.
The ACR tasks can take premium, standard, basic.
I
But the
would.
AC, so to get this straight, right? ACR, is it anything like the what's it called now? The domain. Is it? Container registry. So it's like obviously you had the Azure directory, and then it went into, obviously after that it went to Entra. Is ACR anything like that? We're looking at, this is a container registry, so it's like you can go with it with any basic,
What?
standard or premium.
I wouldn't look too far into this question because I thought basic was gone now.
Is it?
Yeah.
So
But
1
you're-
and 2.
But your container registry,
Yeah, I know, but when were they stopping basic? I thought they've already stopped basic.
I don't know. I don't know if no, I don't think so.
18 on
These are all Azure Container Registries anyway. So Azure
Yeah.
Container Registries is ACR. So either tier will support the ACR tasks.
You do, don't they? Yeah, let's just go all of them, and then we can, at least we can come back and see what the answer was anyway, can't we?
Because the question, this one, is only about private endpoints, not about ACR. Is this the next question? Sorry.
Yeah, is the next question. Yeah.
For ACR, all of them, but private endpoints. I think that should be
It's premium.
either premium and standard or premium.
It's only premium.
Basic usually doesn't allow you
Only
for
Only premium provides
Yeah,
you
go
with
for it, then.
support for private endpoints.
it doesn't, does it? Just premium, huh?
Yep, just
Yeah.
premium.
Yeah.
Okay, what's this?
Again,
Costco.
contest on your Costco. George.
Costco. I'm just calling it Costco because
Which 2 settings should
You
you,
know, first
configure?
time I read it Costco is when I admit it.
Oh, right,
instead of
yeah.
Costco.
The
And I was like, what is Costco
If you
doing here? And then I
wanted to
reread it.
configure this, it's going to be what, IP? Is there an IP on now?
question 37. That's
50 minutes. Okay. So
Which ones
we've
are you gonna
got stuff delete, pricing plan standard, which
Your ID and pricing,
dedicated
no?
endpoint. So it's got to be networking in there somewhere.
And
Yeah, there you
access
go.
Control. Networking and access control.
I would say properties.
No.
Are you sure?
Yep.
37 question mark.
Right, let's go.
All right.
We're nearly there, boys. Come on, and girls.
You need to ensure that invitations can be sent only to fabricam.com users. What should you do in the Microsoft Entra Admin Center?
So cross invitations can be sent only to Fabricam or Fabricam users.
Like, off the top of my head, without thinking, I would go as a second.
I would say collaboration.
I would go to the external because, like, they're from the outside that you want to bring them in.
It's definitely
Yes,
external.
yes.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we need to consider the bottom two.
I would say
Configure the
this.
guest
Yeah.
user access restrictions.
between these
Configure the
three.
collaboration restriction settings.
I would say this. Yeah, Fulden, I agree.
Collaboration.
Yeah. Okay.
We need to scale up. Yeah.
You scale up to VM1. Limit size is unavailable.
So if you're trying to resize the VM,
But what should you do first? So you got to delete it, aren't you? Or, no, deallocate. Deallocate.
Yep, let's go.
Yes, there. Those resources can be associated to everyone.
So we're talking about addresses. So
Create a public address.
so that's got to be a network. And it,
Yeah, because it always comes with a NIC card, right? And obviously load balancers for the traffic.
VPN one.
well, I would say load balancer.
Yeah, because obviously you don't. It's not going to be. If you've created a public IP, you're not going to need VPN because that's private. VNet one.
I'd say I'm going to go with load balancer.
Load balancer. Go on then. Go load balancer.
Okay, I know this one because I come from Northern Ireland, and I just know the abbreviation
Of what?
You'd have to speak that one. You have to.
UDR. Ulster Defence Regiment.
Okay.
Oh god, my mind's going blank here now.
What's the question? What's the answer?
UDR. Apparently.
The user defined route.
Yeah.
Expressway. Oh, it's fine. Oh, sorry.
So you have an
Sorry, how old are you, Jordan? Are you 42, did you say to me earlier on?
I'm 42, yeah.
Oh, you're on question 42.
Okay. Okay. So look at this one. Access keys.
Yeah. So you need to make sure that they rotate automatically. What should you configure? Lifecycle management. Or an Azure key vault.
access keys.
Key
It's
vault,
key
is it
vault,
not?
yeah, key vault.
Yep.
Yeah.
Boom.
Okie dokie.
Question
Right.
43. 11 minutes to go in 10 minutes.
Right, we've got 10 minutes. Okay.
Question 40.
Need to access the blob data in storage 1.
Role assignment must support conditions.
Okay, so we need something to do with blob here.
Yeah, and he wants to be able to
Oh, two
access.
rules. So it's got to be it's 2.
That doesn't include Mr. Blobby.
Blobby, oh Mr. Blobby.
What was the question? Oh, so it's which two roles? You need to assign a role to.
You don't need to give him the owner because that's giving him too much. Because you only want him to look
Yeah.
at what's
Yeah.
in this storage
Go
account, so
down.
he needs to be able to read it.
Right, data contributor.
And owner, yeah?
No, not
Is it owner? No, it's not owner
No,
because
it's
that's
not
giving him
owner.
too much.
Contributor, but we need to choose 2. So,
Yeah, so-
storage block data owner.
delegator. No, because he
It's
only
not the
needs to
owner,
read it.
it's not the contributor. The
Storage
storage account.
He only
Yeah.
needs to read it. So,
But there's nothing else.
delegator?
that-
I don't know.
What is a delegator like?
I think it's the owner.
Yeah,
What does-
storage block data owner. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, go for it.
You have Microsoft.
Oh, sorry.
So, and to perform a bulk import of users, needs to ensure that the imported user objects are added automatically as the members of specific group based on each user's department. It needs to minimize administrative effort, easy as possible basically. Well, I mean, if you write a PowerShell script, then that makes it quite easy, doesn't it? But it's definitely ARM. 100%. If that's on there, I reckon.
Hold on. You need to ensure that the imported user objects are added automatically.
Aye. So that's like making some sort of rule, right?
Yeah. So it's got to be a CSV file.
Why?
Yeah.
And also are added automatically as
The thing
members.
is, yeah. So whenever
It needs to be
this is on the
dynamic, right?
see that ARM template, 100%. I reckon it's that because it's like going to be reusable. That's whenever you make one of those in that, and it always comes out in JSON, which is easy to read, and you can always reuse it as well. Don't you agree?
Actually, I do get where you're coming from. Yeah.
That definitely like seems to call out to me.
A specific group based on each user's department. Oh, I don't know. I'll leave it up to you guys. What do you want to go with?
Well,
I'm going to say CSV, but I don't know what else.
You got to put.
We have-
Right, it's not a template because it's a specific.
I don't think it is a template.
It's specific, so it's custom.
I think it's dynamic.
Great
I would say
groups to
dynamic.
use. Yeah. I agree with that. Actually, now you put it that way.
It has to be dynamic because it will be changing and
Yeah, it's like Scott said, is specific. Custom.
Okay, this one.
Forden, what are you doing? Are you just like taking pictures of this?
I'm
Get your-
sending you screenshots so you can
No.
copy paste and then.
No, I mean like these AI screenshots that you're putting up now. So
Yes.
how are you getting it to answer so fast? Are you typing it in or are you just taking a picture?
I am taking a screenshot.
Right, question
Skipping
after.
to-
I get you.
After,
Yeah.
people.
Right. It's got to be.
If you use
Okay, if
skipping to-
there's SKU. Let's go through this.
I'll tell you after the exam how I'm doing it.
Alright, you've got a shared access, signature, blah blah blah.
Sure that users.
It's
receive
in the
warning
question.
message.
It's in the question. It's got to be this one. Generate an SAS. Yeah, that exceeds. Yeah, it's got to be that.
I would have said it was an alert rule, right? But right.
So user one can access the content and share one. User one.
Premises sync enabled. No.
No.
Yes.
So then he can't. On-prem.
Create the Azure file share.
Premises sync enabled. No, he can't.
User one can access the content in share one.
Yeah, I would say no. We got 3 minutes left.
Go on, let's go.
No,
Oh.
I will say no because it is not enabled.
Yeah, user 2 can access the content and share 2. So
Yes.
user 2 is yes. I would say
Question
yes.
48, 2 minutes and 56 seconds left.
That's only telling us if they're synced up to on-prem, see? That's not telling us if they can access into the...
You know, I might buy a
Okay,
bit of time here
we can
because
talk about that in a little bit.
we haven't
So
done
user
it.
2
We haven't done
can
the test
access
yet where we've
content
run out
and
of
share
time.
3. User 2 can access the content and share 3. No, we can't because that's 2026. Costco. So no.
Yeah, no.
You mean they've updated the screenshots?
This is the last question. We've got 2 minutes now.
I was in
Okay.
I was hoping we would run out of time.
Right, you have an Azure subscription that contains multiple virtual machines in the West US. You need to use traffic analytics in Azure Network Watcher to monitor virtual machine traffic. Which 2 resources should you create? So, needs to be
Log analytics.
log analytics, defo,
And
percent.
is your monitor working?
Yep,
Nope.
yep.
Yeah.
No.
You got to have log analytics, and then
50,
A log analytics
well, it
workspace.
doesn't
It's a
the Azure
workspace. Yes, Filden. It's a workspace, yeah.
Azure monitor though, that isn't that for its health.
No, it's for its cost.
But we need to look at the traffic.
Yeah, but the monitor is.
Oh,
is-
data-
is-
And a data
Data
collection rule in
Data-
Azure Monitor.
Yeah, data collection.
59, 58, 57.
Oh,
Right.
Because if you want to monitor the traffic,
We're on 50, 50
no,
further frames.
is it?
I'm taking over. We go.
Bravo, bravo.
Well, we made it through. Yay!
I would have done shit at that one.
Is that 100%?
Yeah.
No, it's
Yeah,
not.
100%.
Oh my god, bravo.
Yeah, we got all those right.
Who's going to screenshot that, Paul? Who's going to screenshot that?
How do you
Okay.
screenshot on a Mac? Who can tell
I'm
me how to
doing
screenshot a
screenshot.
Mac?
Yeah. Oh god, go up, I will do the
Oh, sorry.
screenshot.
Oh, sorry.
Oh dear, he's still going like a Trojan, isn't he?
I can do a screenshot.
You got to do a screenshot on that. How many of us
Manchester
done?
3.
I don't know how you do it on a Mac. Right, I've
So,
never
I
used a
think-
Mac.
Think of
Because
You haven't used the Mac.
I'm a gamer, you see, and gamers don't use Macs.
Hey,
Don't they?
I
They
was
use
just telling
those.
George this.
No,
Like,
because nobody
My
uses
laptop
Macs.
broke.
I hate Macs.
my
They're the
laptop
worst
broke.
things
It
ever
did.
invented by a human being.
I've always got Windows, I have, but something told me, I was like, right, if I get a Mac this time, and at least I'll have, like, be able to look at both. You know what I mean? I'll be able to use both. I was like, that's got to be a plus for me somehow. Like,
If you do a PDF,
So I was just looking up the ones we had questions about. 13. Yeah.
This you all have on your
Yeah, then the private.
Windows missions snipping tool. If you create a shortcut to the ribbon, and then keep it open, then all you need to do is just click on new. I will take a screenshot of this. Oh no, I can't take a screenshot of the screenshot.
I can't take a
Sorry.
screenshot of a screenshot.
so wait now, am I don't know. So we've just got 100%.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we didn't get any wrong.
No. I'm just going through the ones that
We were
I'm
so
marked on.
unsure though. We're like,
there was
you know, those
33,
last
number
10,
33.
15 questions, we were like all over the shop.
Yeah, I probably would have got about a few ones. I wouldn't have passed, I don't think.
No, that's what I like. But fair play. I mean, Jesus Christ.
is that
No,
the
I
reason?
reckon you've been clicking away on all these right answers, you know. And you were just skipping through before we had the chance to sit.
No, we all answered. We all gave a like if
We did, didn't we?
Yeah. So
Gordon, does it allow you
33.
to export all of these in a few clicks?
I think if Jordan clicked on all the answers that we chose, we probably would have got about 75%. Because we did get a few wrong, me and two of them.
but this one,
But it still would have been a pass.
yeah, of course we would have passed.
Dude,
So,
I mean, like,
Yeah, you can pair all of these.
Yeah,
you can
don't-
pair them all then. That's
Yeah.
crazy, because I thought you couldn't see.
Yeah, don't worry about if it's in a different region. The only reason I thought that it would 1 and 2 and 3 because they was in the same sub. That's the only reason why I thought it was 2 and 3, but apparently it's all of them.
Yeah, it doesn't matter about the regions, as you
But-
say. Yeah.
Then when Geordie explained it, yeah, you can pair anything from peer to peer. It just doesn't.
Yeah,
mean-
here, as long as the necessary permissions are configured. But
Yeah.
my point, wait here. On the question part, it doesn't say anything about the necessary permissions are configured already. So that's why I went for 2 and 3 instead of all.
Yeah.
I like that what you're
Uh.
putting up, John. That's making me
Sorry, you filled in which one? Did
make me
you
smile.
Filled in,
What-
sorry.
what
Which, say?
Sorry?
Which one?
For the 2 and 3.
Yeah. Which answer?
So it is the second one, 2 and 3. I said only 2 and 3. It is because
Okay.
on the
Okay.
question part, it doesn't mention about all the necessary permissions for cross referencing to different tenants. It
Yeah.
doesn't mention about it here, you see.
Oh,
So if it did, then I would have chosen all of them. But because it didn't mention that it is already configured, then that's why I was going for 2 and 3 only.
this kind of takes us back to, obviously, there was that one question where God knew it was wrong.
Mhm.
So it's kind of the same thing going on here.
Yeah.
That question.
There will always be questions
Number
like these.
37. Sorry.
Like I said before, you got to think outside the box. Like administrator, can they give the permissions? It don't say like what roles they have or what. Yeah, they can, depending whether they get the permissions to do it.
Mhm.
Can two subscriptions merge together or pair together? Yeah, they can.
Yeah, they can. Yes.
So
Yeah, I see what.
you just got to think like, yeah, they can. Like if the question don't state whether it can or can't, whether you got this permission or that,
Or it doesn't limit.
yeah, then you just got to think,
Mhm.
can it? And yes, you can.
Mhm.
Or no, you can't, because if it's like you just can't do it with.
Yeah, absolutely.
So
Yeah, you are right.
with questions
It
like
is
that,
tricky.
you just got to think, well, yeah, you can if you got the right permission.
Mhm. Mhm.
And then like, so yeah. But we used to get confused with regions. It doesn't matter about the regions. Just get that into your head. It doesn't matter about regions.
But there's a few exceptions. I think.
Well,
Obviously, you've got the China. Is it a sovereign community or whatever they're called?
yeah,
So that's one, and another. I think I read. When we said about peering,
yeah,
and any can look into any. Well, but there is like an exception there as well. I think it's with the governments.
yeah.
So yeah,
But unless that comes up in the question, I wouldn't worry
course.
about it.
yeah.
So,
Reality and
Specifically stated, right?
yeah, if it
For
if
this,
sorry, if it says anything about China, that's separate.
Yeah.
Right. So if it comes up with China, they can't.
21 Vianet. I think that's it.
It's good that I brought that up. I think because like at least you know then. You're like
Yeah.
if it ever does try and throw that into the mix.
Yeah. So there's a question. I think it's on the AZ 900 though. Like, are China and the US separate governance or something like
Yep.
that?
Yep.
And that's definite yes.
Yeah.
Like,
They have.
I don't know, Kieran. What tests have you done? What exams have you?
literally just the AZ900. That's the only one that I've passed. And obviously I've had a long time off. Like literally, I haven't even opened my laptop. So to be joining you guys and doing this tonight, I've actually shocked myself as well.
Yeah, because you remember quite.
Oh, you done well, Kermit. You done really well. And just can I interrupt, Scott? We were just. I just wrote this one down. The last one that I should take a note of.
Yeah, what was that one question where it was you were gonna like throw an email up? I think it was at 33.
Oh
37.
yeah, that they were wrong. And
then you should include that other one as well.
Well,
I think there has to be.
basics.
I think that.
Like, because I can't look at the internet when I'm can someone look at whether they've got rid of basic now in Azure, or what date they are getting rid of it?
Basics, yeah.
Basic was being terminated according to the course a while back. So if you came into the Ignite course, as I was discussing with Jordan last, the Ignite Academy, that's been terminated as well. So that no longer exists. And so we've done some bit of research into what actually does exist and what doesn't now.
Alright. Jordan, could you like email crack search this as well? Just like
I will whenever. Yeah. 100%. Yeah. 100%. And yeah, of course I will.
Because it shows that we are using exams to show like people.
Yeah.
That there's a few questions that need to be changed that they may be unaware of.
You guys still doing the labs at all?
Yes.
We're going to do that in the near future.
That's Tony.
Yeah, Tony does them lads. He used to smash through those labs. I remember Tony did. And then I think he was like one of the first out of all of us to start doing the challenges instead.
Yeah.
And I agree with Tony. The challenges they push your limits a little bit more because you're reading these things, but you have to kind of like know where you're going.
Yeah, I can't speak for everyone else here. I've done like a couple of them.
Yeah.
And
I've done
them, but it does push your mind because you got to remember and you got to think and you're like, how did I do that before? And it's like,
yeah.
Are you aware that the AI side of it's changed as well?
No, I haven't.
As well, Kieran, it'd be good to talk to John because that's what you want to get into.
With the AI, I haven't even.
Okay,
really
bear with
gone
me.
into
Sorry,
it that
can I share my screen if that's possible?
Oh yeah. Sorry, I'll just hold on.
Bear with me.
2 seconds. Give me 2 seconds.
Let me know when you're ready. You've now got the AI Learning Hub, which if you're into AI will tell you about the Agents Hub, the Foundry and the Building A. Obviously we've covered the Foundry within the training, but they've done this, they've built a load of content around that, and also their setup has changed slightly as well. So the framework, they are still sadly going for Copilot as a big thing, even though it's not been rolled out at some speed. Happy to talk to you about that because I'm having to get into that quite a while. And the AI framework, the agentic framework using Python, which has done some training on through the platform we're all aware of. So yeah, that's a quick thing. And obviously you got the Foundry. but I will take that link and put that into the chat as well.
Thank you.
Thank you, John. I wasn't aware of this, to be honest.
Yeah, so I do know that you guys have you all for AI 900?
Yeah.
Yes.
You've all done it, right? Okay. From
Can
I'm a
I
step
add,
behind.
can I add a little bit extra into that? So that is the one that was more at question AI side of it being updated because the software obviously and the developments have changed considerably. That's an AI area that you want to go into. Copilot, if you look at the conference, recent conference they had, Microsoft had a conference where they talked about Coworker and all the other updates that you can see connected to Microsoft. And also they're looking at how many data centers they may decide to pull on construction. And they're also investing in OpenAI. So from the AI side of it, there's a heck of a lot that's gone on. Why do I?
Sorry, you say pull as in pull the plug for the
Pull the
data
plug,
centers.
They're pulling the plug. They've paused some data center. So if you look under a guy called Ed Zitron, he has done quite a lot of talking and analysing of that area. If you look under Matt Wolf, he's giving updates on things like Copilot, but Copilot take up has not been so brilliant on the premium side, which is where the agentic side of it is. The reason why I know that is I'm doing an AI productivity MVQ as well.
Nice.
And I'm taking quite a number of Microsoft-led webinars that gives access to Microsoft Agentic. So yeah, I'm on the same page with John about this.
Yeah, well, this what you've just put up, John. I'll definitely have a look into this and keep doing a little bit of homework. Just keep it up.
We are going to be putting out some more content on the AI side in all aspects of AI, not just Microsoft. Golden and I are intending to put some content together where we will take you through some areas as well, because we know a lot of people are interested in that.
Yeah, see, the Cloud Workshop Studios, yeah, we want to continue on with the cloud, but we want to get into more specific things as well. Like, for example, me, I'm making my own game, for example.
Development, like.
Yeah, so it's like DevOps kind of thing, you know. Also do OBS and editing, and so I want to do things like that. John, drones, like AI, like we've got something planned. If we can make it happen with John, it is going to be spectacular. It's going to be great. Like Ola is like he's the presentation guy. Like he's really good at his presentations, very specific. And
I think I was there. I remember his first one, Ola's. Was it to do with tags? Did a presentation on tags. Yeah. He did really well.
Yeah, I actually talked to him earlier on. I said, "What do you want your title to be?" And he was like, "Fundamentals tutor and mathematician." So I'll do his background.
Here, can I ask a question? How confident are you doing the exams? Both in the test process Are you aware that Jordan and I will have a video coming out in the coming weeks as we actually talk about that particular challenge?
Oh,
as in coping and managing to actually do the exam.
Difference between the in-centre exam or doing it at home.
Yeah, I personally went to the centre. I just only because, like, obviously I didn't want to lose connection, and I think they actually are quite strict. I think when you're doing it at home, because they want to be able to see you, want to see you haven't got anything. It's not allowed to drink. I think it was, or something like that.
You are allowed to drink.
You're allowed to drink, yeah. Something like that, but I think the most viable one was to go just to the centre and get it done.
Yeah, no, I was like that. I couldn't be bothered to
Rather
set
than
it up.
showing all the walls in your house
Yeah,
or room to make sure there is nothing, no copies, no nothing there.
yeah. That's what I mean. And I was just like, I can't be asked for all that.
What's wrong with having a few cookies? Chocolate
I
chips?
suppose.
Yeah,
I suppose it depends if you have, some people like John would have to drive like 2 hours to get to a test center.
Is it?
Do you know what I mean? But if you have one near you, it's
Yeah, well, the
much
one
easier.
I went to was in Cardiff, which is about half an hour's drive for me. But no one's ever there. It's like completely empty. Just one man sat on a desk and he just takes your number, makes sure, obviously, you put everything in the locker, and he just puts you in this room. Alright.
For me, it was 45 minutes normally, but with the traffic, it was gone up to 1 hour and 50 minutes. And then when I arrived at the examination center, but it was so funny. There were hundreds of students for different studies and things. And then there was this allocated space for Microsoft exams. And then I was offered earplugs, which I refused. No, I don't need. And then halfway through, I asked for it because someone was constantly coughing deliriously right next to me.
Oh, no.
And I couldn't concentrate on the exam, but it was so funny. And the exam tutor, she was laughing. In the end, I gave up and I asked for earplugs.
Did you actually pass?
I did, yes.
Well done.
On my first try, I passed,
Of
but
course
I
you
was
did.
just,
It's a
I
stupid
wasn't
question
happy,
here.
just passing.
Alright, I've got a question for you. What about, because I've got like a cheap pair of Meta glasses. AI built in, so what if you wore them? What if you wore them into the exam and you asked like what? And
Will they notice?
You whispered.
Like, as if it just looks like you're talking to yourself.
Yeah.
If you were doing that on your from home, and they see you speaking, that is disqualification from home.
Yeah, but when you're in the exam room, if you go to the test center, there's no one there looking at you.
Yeah, I mean, because obviously you could say that you're just one of those loud
I'm not
speakers.
saying do it. I'm not saying do it.
Read aloud.
I'm not saying do it, but like, because AI.
There's proper cheating, Scott.
No, but hang on, just bear with. Like I said, you do have to leave your phone in your locker. So, like, if you left your phone, what's it going to connect to?
Well, the range from the locker to the exam room is in range. Well, it is for me. I'm not saying do it. I've never done it.
Are you sure now?
No, I've never done it.
You don't need your phone. You know all this stuff. So.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just saying that like AI is so is getting so smart now. It's like I want to do an interview with one of my mates, but it's just like getting time to get together, like to talk about gaming and how AI is affecting the gaming world. Because like they like Activision, for example, they laid off half of their art design staff because now they're just using AI to design all of their stuff. Jordy, you know this because
Yeah.
look at
Thanks for everything, John.
I think he's gone already.
Oh, there we are.
But like I'm just like saying like how smart AI is getting, and everyone like the main question like that we get in the course is AI going to take our job? Like even if like they do the courses and do because AI has to be
I don't think
programmed.
it is that. Still,
Yeah.
who needs to use AI? Human beings. So all we need to do is to learn how to use AI to support our jobs and create a difference.
And that's why
Of course.
there's jobs for AI prompters. Because if you can prompt an AI correctly, then it'll do.
No.
Like basically,
There is
AI.
Microsoft Agentic, not AI but Agentic.
Tell you
For
what,
example,
guys.
for operation managers or for other purposes. And at the moment I'm into this, I'm trying to learn that it is one step further compared to AI. So then you can implement it to your job, whichever company you are working for.
Yeah. Also, I
is-
mean, on the topic of AI and prompting as
Search
well,
for this thing.
there was I watched the challenge where these guys, there was like 4 of them, and if you have you ever seen Mad March CSS? We're doing these mad CSS challenges and that together, but they do all sorts as well, right? So they were doing this one with AI, and it was vibe coding. So they had to vibe code. Only they weren't even allowed to type. They just had to speak to it. Okay, and you know how much of a nightmare that could be. Because sometimes they just don't understand you, right? And then, you know what I mean? But yeah, these guys, there was 4 of them, and then they were given a specific challenge, right? And it was all to do with, was it the Artemis that was up in space? Went and did that. They went round the moon, flew round the moon.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. So what they had to do, they had to get a good picture up of the Earth itself and the moon, with the course set, and then they had to project how much was left. Well, all the telemetry that you can imagine, and it needed to be live. And then also add a projected destination or something, like where it's going to land. And it was a nightmare to see these guys doing it, but it was funny to watch them. But what I'm trying to get at is some of them were much better than prompting than the other ones, like you've just been saying then, do you know? And,
the cloud apparently is very good at this.
yeah, and it just goes to show. So if you're not very good, and you're not going to be able to use it that well, and AI and cannot like perform that well. So there's always got to be someone behind it, right?
Yeah. But
maybe programming is not the right path to go to. It is because programming, once you know the basics, then you can use the codes with the help of even ChatGPT. It will help you to create the code you need for your own specific project. So maybe it's not the right path to go.
No.
But there are some AI-proof jobs
I actually find. Sorry, Fulden.
It's okay. Go ahead.
I was just going to say. I find and I didn't know you could actually get a job in this. Prompt engineering.
Mm.
There is actually roles out there for that, and it's actually something I could actually do. So,
Interesting, isn't it?
yeah. So I'm with AI, but I'm still not. I'm still not sure. I know Kieran wants to get into AI, but
no, not as much.
Scott's
Not as
gaming.
much. I think I'd rather be sticking to what I know, and just like I said to you at the bottom, you know, when we were talking earlier, I believe that, you see, if you can get yourself some good knowledge or something where, you know, and then in with like company and just work your way up inside.
Yeah,
that's what I believe.
Like, knowledge is power, I believe. Like, so the more you know, like, this 104, like, I shit about it, to be honest. I don't want to go into cloud security. That's not me.
Yeah.
I want to be a game developer.
you want to be in data engineering, Scott, don't you?
Not, that's 2 beats you cost me, Jordan.
He hits
2
it.
beats. I'm gonna have to add 2 beats to that, right? But I don't want to get into that. It's not me. I don't want to sit behind a desk and do cloud security for like a company. That's just not me. I'll find that boring. So I'd rather go into game development or game designing, something like that. So I need to know AI, because game developers nowadays are using a lot of AI. Not only for
Okay,
art,
Scott, here. Listen, Scott. I'm expecting the new GTA 7 in about 5 years. All right.
yeah.
I'm not even going to go down that road. Oh my god.
No, but
I think AI is exaggerated. It is going to fade down after a while. And I'm expecting this to start soon, actually. So, I shared something on the chat. You may wanna have a look at this.
no,
What AI can do and cannot do. It is important that you know that. Because there is so much news out there that AI is going to take our jobs. No, it won't. And
because
this is where we come in.
But AI have took some jobs already, which I'm saying.
Yeah, of course it did. Yes.
But there's only so much that AI can learn, and that's only because we teach it. So
Yeah,
AI,
there has to be somebody there to teach the bloody thing. So
Yeah, but then you've only got the chosen few that are actually, like I say, behind AI, because you only need a handful rather than 20, 30 people. What AI is just taking their jobs.
Yes,
you know what I mean?
Yes, I get what you're saying, but also it depends what you want to use it for. There's so many different applications for it.
Yeah.
But then again, say for example, like when we were creating our websites, Jordan. We use Copilot.
Yeah.
To do some of the work, but they come up with basic stuff. Like
it was just basic stuff. Yeah.
If you know how to change the coding and everything like that, then you can.
Me and you talked about this, didn't we, Scott? Last time we spoke.
I was saying that to Kieran earlier on. today I shared the, like the static web app things. You seen it, Kieran, didn't you? So
Yeah.
But some of, quite a lot of the code, actually, yeah, quite a lot. I was going to say some of it. Quite a lot of the code came from Copilot. So, but, I was just starting.
But
I'm allowed to cheat.
no, but you can use Copilot and everything, as long as you know what the coding is for. Then it's fine. Like, you know what H1 is and H2. Your paragraphs and everything like that. As long as you know what they are, as long as you know what it means, you can change it about. So you can use Copilot to build something, and then change it about yourself. So, like, it's worth knowing all of this stuff, even if you like cheat and use AI. As long as you know where you're going and what you want, you can change it about to how it fits you. So it's worth knowing. Like I said, knowledge is power.
Yeah, it's like, we could do the sort of basic stuff, and then get a little bit of help from Copilot or something. It's like, oh are we recording this?
Yeah, don't worry, you can swear, I'll just beep it out.
No, it's okay. I won't swear. It's like, oh flip, I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to add a picture or a line or anything, whatever it could be, and just ask Copilot. If I want to add, like, I say, okay, add this image to the top left corner of the website. It'll give me the code. It'll give me the code. So
Just use the snipping tool next time and share where you are with Copilot, and then ask what you need to do next, and it will just guide you. It is even easier. You don't need to explain.
Yeah, like we can do that for the next video, Jordan. What do you think?
yeah.
Yeah?
Cool. Yeah, I can do that.
Apologies, I need to go.
Oh, right. No worries.
No worries, well done.
Wishing you all a wonderful evening.
All right, you take
A
care.
nice start to the week.
And you.
All
See you
right.
soon.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Burning up the place.